Welcome to our fourth video in the series on automotive sensors. In this series, we explain the function and working of each sensor in detail. Today, we will focus on the throttle position sensor. In this animation, we will break it down for beginners so you can understand where it's located, how it works, and how to repair or replace it if needed. If you miss our previous videos on this series, be sure to check out the link in the description. We are also updating the playlist with videos on the working of all sensors, so make sure to follow along. Let's dive in. The throttle position sensor is a crucial component of your car's engine management system. It monitors the position of the throttle plate and sends this information to the engine's control unit or ECU. This helps the ECU adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal engine performance. You can usually find the throttle position sensor on the throttle body. The throttle body is connected to the intake manifold and it controls the amount of air entering the engine. If the throttle position sensor fails, your car may experience poor acceleration, rough idling, or even stalling. You might also see warning lights on your dashboard. It's not recommended to drive with a bad throttle position sensor. It can lead to future damages to your engine and may affect your safety while driving. Signs that you might need a new throttle position sensor includes poor acceleration, engine stalling, check engine light on, and rough idling. If you notice any of these, it's best to get it checked. Technically, a car can run without a throttle position sensor, but it won't run well. You can face performance issues and erratic engine behavior. If you unplug the throttle position sensor, your engine may go into limp mode. This means it will only operate at low power to prevent damage. It's not safe to drive in this mode. Replacing a throttle position sensor is a straightforward process. First, disconnect the battery, then locate the TPS on the throttle body, then unplug the connector and remove the screws. Later, install the new sensor and reconnect everything. Finally, reconnect the battery. Common reasons for TPS failures include wear and tear, electrical issues, dirt or debris buildup. Regular maintenance can help prevent these issues. For beginners attempting a DIY, always make sure the engine is off and cool before you start working. Use the correct tools and remember to handle the sensor carefully as it is a sensitive device. On average, replacing a throttle position sensor can cost between $50 to $200 depending on your car model and labor charges. It's always a good idea to get a quote from your mechanic. And that wraps up our detailed explanation on the subject throttle position sensor. This is the fourth video in our series on automotive sensors. And our next video will be about the engine coolant temperature sensor, where we'll go into full detail on how it works and common issues you might face. We'll also keep updating the playlist with more videos on each sensors. There's a link in the description. So be sure to subscribe for the latest updates. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit the notification bell for more car maintenance tips.